Are you looking for a Stormgain trading strategy so you can get the most out of this platform? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have been using Stormgain for quite a while and I have seen some decent results with it. And in this video I have decided to share my Stormgain trading strategy with you so you can see how to get the most out of it and how to do it in a safe way. And let me just reveal right away that Stormgain is not necessarily a good option for all. You can do it completely for free, as I will also explain, but I also do prefer using other trading strategies. This is more kind of a side strategy for me, to be honest, but I will show you what I use there, and then I will also show you a Stormgain alternative that I use for more serious trading for bigger potential earnings as well. So I will go over all this so then you can decide which option is the best for you. So I have now logged into my Stormgain account and I will just go over step by step overall what you need to look for, because it can be a bit confusing when you start at first. But you just go to the trading section and this is where you can see the different trading pairs. So for example, BTC, USDT, Bitcoin and USDT, which is a stable coin. So this is what you can start. You can choose over here what you have in your wallet, and then you can choose how much you want to trade, and this leverage. Leverage, I would suggest always put it at the lowest, because the lowest you can do is 5. And personally, I think it's a little bit strange to have a trading platform where you have to have leverage, because that does increase the risk and you can just increase it a lot, as you can see. And of course the potential gains are also bigger, but you can also end up losing your money here very fast. There is a way to do it completely for free, as I will also talk a little bit about. So let's talk about how you can use Stormgain for free or to trade for free, and then I will show you how to set up a trade also so you can see how easy it is, and then go over some very important details you need to consider to find out if this is really for you, and what you also need to consider to do it a safe way and not just end up losing a lot of money. But what Stormgain has is that it has this miner, so you can go to the miner, and mine is running right now, so it just mines and I earn Bitcoin, and you can see what I have right now. I have worth of almost $13 of USDT. When I reach 10, I can withdraw. I can't withdraw while it is mining, so that is why I can't withdraw it right now. And this is completely for free. It runs for 4 hours, then you can click the button again and it just keeps running, and that way you will earn USDT that you can withdraw into your trading account and thereby trade for free. And if you join through an invitation link, I will leave mine below, then you will get a $3 joining bonus, which gives you a great start. And you need to be aware what you earn here cannot just be withdrawn. You have to use it for trades, and then what you earn from the trades, that is something you can withdraw. And this is what I would recommend if you want to use Stormgain. Do not put in any of your own money for the reasons I will explain later. Instead, just rely on this free miner, because you can just build up your earnings. It takes definitely patience, but it is possible, and then you can trade with that. So that's how to get free funds into your trading. So let's now go over how to set up a trade step by step. Once you have used the miner to earn and have withdrawn, you will see it here in your wallet. You will also see up here how much you have in total. You can see the bonuses I have. That means this is bonus earnings. I have not closed any of the trades I currently have going, but I'll show you that a little bit later. So these are all money that I can't withdraw. I can only trade with them, but what I make from the trades I can potentially withdraw. And this is what I right now have valid, because the rest of what I have has gone into trades. As I will show you below, you can see the current trades I have right now here. They are how much I started them for and the current price. And the current price, that will definitely go up. By the time you watch this, it might be a lot higher, it might be a little bit lower. I am usually not too worried about that when it comes to something like Bitcoin, because I have seen how it's developed over the last 10 years and it does go up and down, but long term it really has increased, and I do believe it has a lot more potential. So that's not something I worry about. Usually there are some risks when you use Stormgain, and that's what I will also explain, and then I will show you an alternative where you're not so dependent on risks like that. But you can see right now profit and loss. That means if I close these trades, this is what I would have made in USDT. So this one I made just above $17 and $12 and just 50 cents here. I'm not going to close them right now because I believe that if I just leave them, it will just go up in value, and then I'll close them when I've earned a bit more. Also, there is this limitation that I would need $50 worth of USDT to be able to withdraw them. I have a full video where I show how to withdraw, so I'm not going to go over that in this video. I'll leave a link in the top corner where I will show payment proof over, so you can check that out if you want to see how to withdraw. But let me just set up a new trade. I will just do a small amount because it's not necessarily the right time. When it comes to Stormgain, that is when it becomes difficult because you need to time it. If you start at the wrong time, then it goes down and then you potentially lose your money because the trades will stop automatically if it reaches a certain percentage below what you have bought it for. And that is the risk, and that's also why it can be risky to put in real money here. When you just use these bonus earnings from the mining, then if it goes down, there's not so much risk. You can see the closed trades. Suddenly the market recently, as of recording this video here, that kind of crashed a bit and I lost some of these trades. They just suddenly closed. But previously I've also made some where I stopped them on time there. But when I use other trading strategies, I'm not worried about these crashes. I see this as an opportunity, to be honest, to get in and to start new trades. But not with Stormgain, because then it just automatically closed and I just lost these earnings there. And if I put in real money, I would have lost this money, but it was all bonus earnings, so it doesn't really matter. Still a little bit annoying now. I had to build it all up again, the bonus earnings, to get anything out of it. But that's just how it is, and that's one of the limitations of Stormgain, in my opinion, and one of the risks if we put in real money, and especially if you use this leverage, because then you can very quickly earn a lot. But anyways, if I wanted to start a BTC USDT, I would just click that, and over here I could choose how much I want to put in. So in this case, I'll just do 20. I will definitely keep it as the lowest leverage, and then I can buy, and it just plays the trade. But I should also, usually I do anyways, I put the stop loss here. So in this case, I would just put it at around 49 or so, and then I would buy. But now I accidentally already pushed the buy button without setting a stop loss because I was talking at the same time. But I can then just click it over here with the active trades and find it, and then I can put the stop loss there. So I can just adjust that after. So you can see I would put it at 18. That's equivalent of around 90% there, and then I'll just click to save changes, so I can then do that after. So that's just because usually it will close automatically, so I just ask it to stop right before that. That means if it has a loss of 100%, usually it will just close it. I just put it at 90%, then it closes it automatically and there's no fee or anything like that. So that's just what I do personally. All I then need to do is to just check in here once in a while, check when it's in green, then you can close it. You can just click it and close it, and then you will take the profit. The profit you make will then be in your wallet and you can take that out, but you need to have a minimum of $50 to do that. As mentioned, I have a video where I show how to take that out. I'll leave a link in the top corner here. So this is how you can use Stormgain to trade for free, and I do this because I do not have to invest anything, but it has quite limited earning potential, and this is just a side strategy I'm using. Because as mentioned, suddenly you can just lose everything if the market goes down, and that's why I use another strategy also that I just quickly wanted to tell you about, because there I'm not so reliant on Bitcoin suddenly going down. Instead, I see that as an opportunity, and then I'll just wait for it to go up. Usually I would just wait, but because it suddenly dropped there, you saw I suddenly had some deals that were closed where I lost quite a bit. That's just how it is. Luckily, it was not real money I put in, so I do not worry too much. But let me just show you this other strategy or the platform I use for that. So I have now jumped to a trading bot I am using called Bitsgap, and you can see a pair that I have set up here to trade, and the green and the red dots are when it buys and sells. I set this up in 10 minutes and then it just goes trading all along here, whether it goes up or down or sideways. And this is why it's so great that even at the moment of recording this video, it might be different by the time you're watching it, the market has been down a little bit for a while. Still, it's averaging on earning me around 0.5% daily for my investment here. And that's definitely a great return of my money. And here I do not worry because I believe in the long term of potential of the coins I've chosen. So even if it goes below and doesn't trade for a while, I'll just wait and then hopefully it will go up and then I'll start earning again. So I do not worry if it's red a little bit or so because it doesn't close. I just keep it there. But the thing is, to make money here, you would need to invest real money. You can see for this one, the value currently is just above $3,000. So this is money I have put in here, but the earning potential is also huge. You can see right now it has been averaging of almost 2 months of around 0.5% daily that I have earned from this just setting it up. So it also has huge earning potential. But I just want to make it clear that this is the results that I have at the time of recording this video. It can go up and down very quickly in cryptocurrencies because it is a volatile market, and I am not a financial advisor. I cannot guarantee you will get the same results. This is very important to understand. Any investments that you might do in crypto is at your own risk. So personally, I never invest anything I cannot afford to potentially lose because that would just put too much pressure and you just never know. So I just wanted to make that clear. But in case you do not feel confident about putting in your real money, then you can also use BitScap demo mode. You can just go there and click demo on, and then you can set up and test. And I would recommend you do that because when you start a bot, you start a new bot, then you can do it in demo mode. You do not have to put in real money, just have play money, and then you can test the settings, you can test different strategies. I have a full video about BitScap where I show more about that. So if you think this sounds interesting, then make sure to check that out. I will leave a link in the top corner because that shows more about exactly how to set up a bot and what you need to test. And I will also leave a link below if you decide you just want to jump straight in and sign up for BitScap. It is a software you also need to pay for, but I also explain more about that in my full video there. But with the returns you can make, that should very quickly cover it and then some for sure. But if you're looking for a complete free strategy, then BitScap is not for you. Yes, you can use the demo mode to test and that is definitely great, but to make money, you would need to invest real money. So as you can see, Stormgain can be a way to trade where you do not have to risk anything. But if you do decide to put in real money, it is a quite risky platform because you have to use leverage, which means your money can disappear very quickly. And it is a quite limited trading platform, in my personal opinion, compared to what else I have used. I know some people do not have a problem with it. I'm just talking from my personal opinion and experience. So if you have great experiences with putting in real money here, then also feel free to share it below. It's just not something that I would personally do. I would only use the Stormgain trading strategy with the free money you can earn, and that's why I use it, because it has this free earning method, and then you can potentially trade and you're nothing really to lose. You will not gain huge amounts of money either, but it can give a bit extra, which is definitely also a nice way to grow your crypto portfolio. But if you are then willing to invest, then I would suggest you to use something like BitScap instead, which is a trading bot that has really huge potential, where there's a lot more settings, it's a lot more versatile and give a lot more opportunities in my experience. And also you do not use leverage, so you do not risk losing your money the same way as you do here. And if you just keep it going and wait till the market is at the right place there in BitScap, then you do not really risk too much and it will just make you money even when the market goes down, which is what is really amazing. But I just again want to make it clear that I am not a financial advisor. If you decide to invest in anything, then it is at your own risk. It is crypto, so it is volatile and there is a risk, and that's just something you really need to be aware of. But I hope this video helped you no matter what and gave you a good idea about how to potentially get the most out of Stormgain and doing it a safe way without risking losing money, and also gave you some inspiration for an alternative if you are looking for a way to invest real money to trade crypto completely passively once you've set it up. I'll leave links below so you can check out more about both options. So make sure to do that, and also make sure to hit the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time it's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.